Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we will see how to add a tree node dynamically. So here you can see the set of controls, and we will specify the tree node name, and by clicking the add node button we can add the tree node. So before that you have to select a parent. Once you select the parent, you can enter the node name here, then click on the add node button. So here is the handler for the add node button. So first we check selected node is not null. That means this condition will tell us that user selected a parent. So here if you see, we are constructing a tree node, right? Using the new, we are constructing the tree node, and for that we are passing the string. So this will be the node text that will be displayed, like child3. The node name will be displayed, and we are taking that string from the input here. So whatever user enters here, that will be taken and given here while constructing the tree node. Then TreeView1 selected node. Here child nodes, we know that it's a collection. In the previous video we saw that we iterate through this child node collection, right? Now we are using the same collection. This time we are making call to the add method, and we are passing this tree node here. That's all. Now let's go to the demo. So now in our ASPX form, we will add a label. So we will name this text box as txt new node name. Next we will add a push button. So we are setting the name as btn add, and text we will keep it as add node. And we already have the click event, but since we changed the name of this button, we will clear this event routine. Find in files. Or we can remove this and click and rebuild the solution. And go to the design view, double click. So now we have the event routine with the button name. Here, if you look at the code from TreeView, we are getting the selected node, and if it is not null, then we are constructing the tree node by supplying the text. Whatever user entered here, we are supplying that, and node is ready. Next, from selected node dot child nodes. So selected node is a parent, and the child node will give all the child collection, and to that collection we are adding the node. So once the node is added to the child's collection, the new child will be displayed. Now we will rebuild this once again and run it. So now we will select parent 1. Selected node is parent 1, and here we will add a new child. So you can see new child is added, and we'll give one more child. Child 2 is added, right? That's all. So now we added a node dynamically by specifying the parent. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.